Alright, man, let me tell you what happened. So, all of a sudden, all these squirrels start going crazy. I look up. One of these big 8-pointers I have on camera just showed up. He was behind a few branches, but I think I got a good shot on him. So it's about 7:15 right now. I'm gonna give him about 30 minutes and go down and try to do a recovery. But I think he ran back towards some thick cover, so I hope he didn't go about 30 yards. So let's hope he's down. All right, be back. All right, well, here we are. This is where I shot him at. Looks to be good lung blood. All up through there. All up through there. It looks to be good. I'll go ahead. I went ahead and marked it. Good blood over there. So we got good blood. So let's see what we got.
Hitting good. I don't know why.
I don't know. Well, guys, I am out of breath. I've been blessed again. A big 9-pointer. What a deer. What a deer. What a brute. Man.